Team Baxter.
This is a 1/16 Summit that I've had for quite a little while. I don't drive it so much anymore. I've gotten away from driving so fast, and when I do drive a little faster, this is not one of the vehicles I tend to pick up first. It's basically the same as the other 1/16 vehicles with the height adjustments and a few other differences to make it a Summit, a mini Summit. It's basically just a standard Traxxas 1/16 vehicle. Got your Summit top with the little XO cage, VXL motor in there. This one's been well worn. I've run it on the beach, all through dirt, sand, water, everything. Everything works fine. I've installed a second servo in there, and I put the RPM arms on there just because the original Traxxas arms, they tend to break pretty easily, so I got rid of those. I also put RPM axle carriers on just for strength. That possibly may not have been the best move. The balls pop out of those axle carriers at high speed collisions. But what I'm planning to do with this Summit, I shouldn't have any more high speed collisions. I'm going to slow it down quite a bit. I'm going to pull this VXL out of here, pull this VXL speed control out of here, the whole system, and I'm going to replace it with a brushed speed control and a brushed motor. I'm going to lock the differentials, front and back. I'm going to switch the servo out to a one better servo. I'm going to actually leave an extra Traxxas in there just in case anything happens, which probably won't, but it won't hurt it to just sit up in there. I also plan to do a few visual upgrades and fix anything else I see along the way that needs to be adjusted or fixed. This is sort of an introduction to the project, and the first thing I'll be doing is pulling it apart and cleaning it up since it's never had a complete disassembly. It needs it, and plus I have to pull it apart to get the differential lockers in. So the first video in the series will be the differential lockers, and we'll keep it going from there.